Hey traders, in this lesson, I am going to answer a question I got from a student. This student wanted to know how to create a filter that filters out specific days of the week. So I've already done a lesson on how to create a time-based filter. So one that will filter out trades during a certain time of day. This one is even more simple to implement, and it's just disabling days of the week. So here we have every day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. And you can turn these on or off as you please. And the simple script is just detecting hammer candles and changing the background color of the chart to red if the filter is not met. And the code for this lesson can be copy and pasted into any script. So it's not important what we're detecting here. The whole idea is the code itself. So let me break it down for you guys. So first of all, I'm importing my Zen library. This is completely optional. I'm only doing this because I have code for detecting hammer candles, which I can just call using this function instead of having to write all of that code out for this lesson. But my Zen library also has an inbuilt function for this particular use case. So one option for you guys is to just copy this code here. So we have my Zen library imported as Zen. The alias is Zen, so you can just type zen.control space, and here are all my functions that I commonly use across all of my scripts. You do need to have all of these inputs in your script, so you need to copy this code into your script as well. These are just Boolean checkboxes. This is an inline input, so they'll all show up on the same line, so they're nice and tidy, nice and organized. And they also have a little tooltip here, which days to trade on. And then finally, I can just use my zen.dayFilter and pass in each day as a Boolean into that function. And this will return true only if that day is turned on and the current bar is contained within that day. So if I turn Monday off, now this function is checking, is today's bar, or is today on this current bar a Monday? If it is a Monday, has the user ticked this box? If they have, then the filter passes and returns true. If they haven't, then it returns false. And so the way we use this filter, for example, just purely for example purposes, you would replace this code with whatever your conditions are for your trading script, your setups, your market conditions, indicator conditions, etc. Combine all of those into one Boolean, such as long setup or whatever short setup, and then just add this filter on the end. So this is saying, do we have a hammer candle, and did our day filter pass or return true? And that's it. Then I just plot a simple green triangle, and I change the background color to red to visually indicate that this price action here is being ignored by the script since we've turned off Mondays. So that is one option. Just import my Zen library and use this inbuilt function. Another option is to just copy this function into your own scripts. If you don't want to import my Zen library, just copy this code into your script and you can use this function instead. Now, I don't think it will let me name the function the same as my Boolean filter here, so I'm going to add an F on the end there for function. Get rid of this. Actually, I can leave that in and just replace this with dayFilter F. Save my code. This should work. And it doesn't because I need to move this function above where we call it. So now it should work. There we go. And now this will do exactly the same thing without needing to import. So if I get rid of that and I get rid of my hammer code, save my script, this will still paint the background red, and you are not using my library code. Pretty simple, but obviously a very effective filter here, and it applies to strategy scripts, indicators. All you need to do is just add this Boolean value on the end to any conditions you check in your script. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. As always, good luck with your trading, and I'll speak with you in the next lesson. Take care.